Good afternoon everybody, Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be checking out the Pixel 3a XL. I picked this up in the just black color, 64GB from Best Buy. Best Buy has an offer going on right now where when you purchase one of these unlocked, they give you a $100 Best Buy gift card. The Pixel 3a retails for $479.99 and the Pixel 3a non-XL retails for $399, so the XL is only $80 more than the regular one. This one has a 6-inch screen. So I did want the bigger screen, which is why I went with this one. Plus the battery is a little bit bigger. So we're going to check this out. This is a budget Pixel, a mid-range smartphone, 4GB of RAM, Snapdragon 670 CPU. So not top-of-the-line specs, but you're also not paying top-of-the-line prices. So we're going to check this out and see how well it performs in the real world. And I'm also going to be using this to install the Android beta, the new one that just came out. So we're going to be checking that out as well. After this video, I'm going to unbox it, set it up the way it is, and then I'm going to install all that, and I will show you guys that as well. So they did take a few things off this phone to save pricing, to save the price. It is plastic. It is not glass. It does not have wireless charging. So here's the Pixel. We're going to take that and put it off to the side for a second. No wireless charging, no glass, all plastic. You still do get the OLED screen with the always-on display. Here is your paperwork as well as your SIM eject tool. Like I said, this phone is unlocked. Best Buy is selling the unlocked variant of all the Pixels now. The 3A, the 3A XL, the 3, and the 3XL. Right here you get your USB-C to USB-C cable. And you also get a USB-C to USB-A adapter if you need to transfer data from another smartphone. And right here you get your fast charge adapter. This is 18 watts, I believe. And this allows you to charge about 7 hours of battery life in 15 minutes is what I'm hearing. So we'll see how that goes. Hopefully this still has good battery life even on the budget end of things. But here is the Pixel 3a XL. Let's go ahead and peel this off. Now I said it is all plastic. Obviously the screen is still glass, but the back is plastic. It looks the same as the 3. It's got like the frosted plastic down here and then glossy plastic up on the top. It really doesn't, feel too much different. It feels almost like a Pixel 2. I think that was plastic as well. It had some kind of plastic coating on it at least. That's the kind of feel that I get from this, and it's not really a bad feel. And one thing you do get with the 3A models is you get a headphone jack on the top. You do not get that on the 3 or 3XL. You do get that on the 3A and 3AXL. You still have your fingerprint sensor on the back here as well as your Pixel camera. So you get the really good Pixel pictures and stuff like that that you get with the Pixel lineup. You get that in this budget smartphone. So we're going to test this thing out. I'm going to go set it up off video. This is just an unboxing, but I'm going to go set this thing up and test it out some, and I'll let you guys know my first impressions a little later on, as well as show you guys some of the beta of the new version of Android that's about to roll out. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.